So hello everyone and welcome back to our channel in another tutorial. If you want to make sure you receive every tax break you're legitimately entitled to, here's how to get the most out of TurboTax. Firstly, sign into your account and enter your income information carefully. Make sure you report all income, including wages, freelance income, business, etc. Now go through the deductions and credits section. TurboTax can ask questions designed to identify deductions and credits you may qualify for. If you're self-employed, enter your eligible business expenses such as supplies, advertising, and review potential tax credits carefully, including credits related to education, dependents, and other qualifying expenses. Check your withholding and estimated tax payment and make sure everything reported matches your tax documents. And finally, review your entire return for missing information or errors before filing. And that said, the best way to maximize your refund is to claim every deduction and credit you actually qualify for while keeping accurate records. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks if you like the video. I will see you on the next one.